Hey guys, welcome back to another week here on Mash Your Hair. This week I wanted to show you guys something that you can incorporate into your everyday style, a great way to spice up your look. I wanted to show you guys how to tease your hair. You'll definitely need a teasing brush. The one I'm going to use today has a little bit of a boar bristly feel with a little bit additional plastic attachments that will help give my hair a little bit of extra lift and volume. And some sort of barber's brush if you want, just to kind of finalize and polish bigger sections rather than using the toothbrush. And a flexible hairspray. So the 3 simple steps to tease your hair. The first one is to section your hair out and over direct with maximum tension. The second step is using your teasing comb, gently backcomb the hair 2 inches away from the scalp. The third step is once you've created your base and shape, lightly spray hairspray at the base and gently return the hair back to natural fall and comb into place. So let's dive right in. So step number 1, create my section and over direct with maximum tension. Back comb. Hairspray. Return back. Yay! As I work towards my hairline and my part line, my tease will get a little bit softer so that way I don't get any weird kinks in the hair or extra frizz. How great does this look, you guys, right? Such a quick, easy fix. There you guys have it. That is this week's tutorial, how to tease your hair in 3 steps. Thank you guys so much for watching. If there's anything you want to see in the future, please comment below, subscribe, share with all your friends. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next week. Bye!